Good morning, students. Now we are going to continue chapter 7, integral by partial fractions. I think you are studying the lower classes the partial fractions by the rational functions. Okay. So what are the rational function? The rational function in the form of px by qx, where qx not equal to, where q of x not equal to 0, here where q of x not equal to 0. Yes. So the rational function defined as a ratio of polynomial the form of px by qx, where pf is your polynomial of x and where q of x not equal to 0, if the degree, this is a very important point, yes, the degree of, what is that, the degree of p of x is less than degree of q of x, which means the denominator should be, the power of x should be greater than comparative numerator. Okay, so that means it is always less than value in the numerator, the power of x. Okay, and then it is called proper fraction, you know very well, otherwise it is going to become improper fraction. When you got improper fraction, you have to take by synthetic division method. Okay, after that you are going to get some quotient plus the remainder divided by q of x. Okay, what is that? This is a remainder. What is the after dividing that given polynomial. Okay, and then p of x is the polynomial in terms of x, p1 of x, q1 of x, the proper rational function is a rational function, then automatically you are going to find the partial fraction method. Okay, and then next, here what are the type, the following table going to shows the types of the, what is that, rational function, the form px plus px by q. Yes, this is px by q divided by the, what are the factors, the denominator zeros, x minus a into x minus b, or don't bother about the numerator, you should concentrate on denominator. What is the form? Just you concentrate with the numerator and denominator, only the comparative of power of the variable. Don't bother about the polynomial, whatever the numerator. What is the power? The power of denominator should be, what is that, less than d of x. That means p of x. Which one is always greater value? The denominator always greater value in terms of powers of x. Okay, and then this one is repeated factors. These are the first one and third one, the same method, because don't bother about square of the polynomial in the numerator, you should concentrate on power of the x in denominator. X power 1, x power n, x1 multiplication, what is going to become? It is become x to the power 3. What is the numerator power? 2. So that means the power of x always greater than the denominator. Okay, then we can apply the partial fraction method. Now whether you got such a function, in terms of different factors. Now look at these, that is x denominator having x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, like that. You should separate a by b by c by, because this power of x value 1 and also the different factors x minus a, it may be x plus a is possible, it is not necessary to plus or minus, it may be plus or minus, but the concept is the denominator having different factors. Okay, first case and third case same probably, and then second case is repeated factors. What is that? Repeated in the denominator. Okay, x minus a, this step is very important. If people are going write this, separate the variable the right side, you are very eager to separate, because you people consider x a minus a by x minus a, b by x minus a, you people's not interested to write whole square when it is repeated. Okay, you should write repeated factors too. Suppose if it is got 3 times in the power of the power of the denominator, the factors are 3 times, which means whole power 3. Here we can write c divided by x minus a whole cube when you got repeated factors. Okay, this time is, and then next one, next type, yes, next type, fourth type. What is the fourth type? The fourth type is, yes, look at this fourth type. The fourth type is concentrate. I am asking you, when you are concentrate the denominator. Okay, the power of the x. What is the power of x here? Square. What is the power of x here? 2. Here 1. So power of 2, power of 1. What going to become here? X to the power 3, which means the greater value in the denominator. Correct? And then we can separate the right side equal to the partial fraction method. A by x minus a 1 time, a by x minus a whole square 2 time, and then third factor is different, that is c by x minus b. So when you are separating the right side for the given rational function, x power 1 means here only the variable a, b, c, like that. Now look at this next one. The next one is, what is that? Next one is px denominator x minus a. Look at this factor, the denominator, x square plus bx plus c. It is non-factorable, unable to separate the power of that x square. It should becomes x square only. That time you have to separate the right side partial fraction, x a by x minus a completed. And then look at this, power of x is what? 2. The 2 is not factorable, unable to separate. That time you have to take the balanced on the numerator, bx plus c. Some people very interested to take this is first time, means you can write here, we can write ax plus b. After that you can write plus c divided by x minus a. It is nothing to wrong. You can write. But whatever it is, when you finding the value a, b, c, it is fixed value. It may be because we are changing the place of a equal to b, c, changing the variable. The value should be same, the variable only changing. But answer does not change. Okay, wow. The concept is the my things, the 4 type. The first type is not repeated. Correct? Yes, Kana. That is first type. What is the first type? Yes. The first type is what? This is first type. What is that? First type is first type and the third type same, different factors. Second type is repeated. Third type is what? Repeated as well as yes. Yes. Third type is repeated also, different factors. Fifth type is unable to factorize. These are 4 types. Okay, wow. After that we are going to do the exercise. Exercise number, what is that? 7.5, first question. Yes, listen student, find the value of the rational function. Correct? Find the value of rational function. Yes, find the value of rational function. What is p of x by q of x? X divided by the denominator, the variable. Look at the power of x is 1. The denominator. What is the power of x in the numerator? Sorry, numerator is 1. Denominator is what? 2. Here x power 1, x power 1. What is the power of x here? So it is power of x. What is that? Power of x is in denominator is always greater than numerator. Correct? So it is applicable for what? Partial fraction method. This is the first rule. Okay, wow. After that you got the checking the power of x. Now we are going to do, what is that? Yes. By solve the given, sorry, find the solution of given integral. Okay. Now this is what given. Let I equal to, carefully listen Kanna, I equal to integral x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx. Look at the denominator. There is different factors, not same, not repeated. That time we may call it as equation number 1. After that, take what is the what is the power, the rational function, x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Any doubt? Equal to, don't bother about what is the numerator. Forget the comparison of x value only. Okay. Now this is a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Can I any doubt? This is the first step. After that, take LCM. What is the left hand side? That is the LCM. What is that? X plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, this is what? Left side, x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, now look at this, Kanna, please. This is the first time you are going to do the partial fraction method. Now what I am going to do here? Now we can take the LCM of that. That is first, what is the first term? A by x plus 1. What is the LCM, Kanna? What is LCM? X plus 1 into x plus 2, correct? So look at this, cancel. What is the cancel here? X minus x plus 1, x plus 1 cancel. What is remain? What is remaining here? A into x plus 2. When you have such only two different factors, means easy to cross multiply. But when you got more than two term, means it is, you can use like this. That's why instructed like the simplification of LCM into their terms. Okay. Plus b into the same thing, b divided by x plus 2 into what is the LCM? X plus 1 into x plus 2. Correct? So what is the cancellation here? X plus 2 cancel. Correct? So what is remaining? B into x plus 1. Can I any doubt draw? Please. Any doubt? Now cancel. Look at the left side, right side. Left side, right side, what? X plus 2 into x plus 1. Correct? Cancel. What is the remaining terms? What is the remaining terms here? What is the remaining term? That is equal to x equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Correct? Equation number 2. Can I any doubt? Any doubt, please? Whether having doubt, please. Next, what we are going to do? There is so many methods. I am going to give some standard types, easy type. Okay. Now here, put what is multiplication, the denominator, x plus 1, x plus 2, correct? That means put x equal the negative value of that minus 2. Any doubt? Because there is plus 2. Put in equation number 2. What we are going to get? Here minus 2 equal to, then a into minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. What you are going to get? Minus 2 equal to a into 0 plus b into minus 1. Correct? What is here? Minus 2 equal to 0 minus b. Then what is b equal to? 2. Yes. This is the first value. Any doubts? After that, next one more. Put x equal to minus 1 in equation 2. What we are going to get? Here minus 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. Correct? What you are going to get? Minus 1 equal to a into 1 plus b into 0. That is minus 1 equal to a. That's it. Any doubt? So this is the finding a, b, and whether got other variable c, the same method. Any doubt, students? Can I go next? Yes. Yes. What is next one, Kana? We are founded when a becomes. Okay. So tough, correct? Ah, hmm, yes. How to extend? Let's say the page. Take it simplify. No, Kana. We need to simplify. Then I'm going to continue here. Correct? Yes. Sorry, Kana. Just listen. Now listen. We are founded a b value. Correct? Now substitute a and a equal to. What is the value? What is a equal to, Kana? What is a equal to? Minus 1 and b equal to 2. Substitute in equation 1. Correct? What is ab become here? Listen, Kana. This integration, the rational function, this rational function here. Correct? What is that? What we have separated the rational function? A by b by. A by plus b by. So whether you want more step, I will write in substitute number 2. After that, next sum onwards, I will continue directly. Yes, what is 2 become here? X divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to a by, what is a value, Kana? Minus 1 by x plus 1. What is b by? 2 by x plus 2. Now equation 1 becomes, these are more steps, that's why directly I am going equation number 1. Okay, so what is equation 1 becomes? What is first equation? I equal to integral a by, what is the integration become? Minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 2 into dx. Student, any doubts? Now separate the integral. I equal to integral minus 1 by x plus 1 into dx plus integral 2 by x plus 2 into dx. Student, any doubts? Now that is equal to minus taken outside integral 1 by x plus 1 into dx plus 2 taken outside integral 1 by x plus 2 into dx. Yes, what is that? Integration, this is I equal to. Yes, we have, what is that? Integral of 1 by x plus a into dx equal to what? Don't bother about the plus or minus constant. What is the power of x? 1. Then we can write log of x plus a plus c. Any doubt, students? Now this is like this here, I equal to minus log of, what is that, Kana? X plus 1 minus, sorry, plus 2 into log of x plus 2 plus c. Otherwise, you can rewrite I equal to log 2 into log x plus 2. So I think I short out here, easy. Now this is what? Log of x plus 2 whole square. How? Very good. N into log m equal to log m power n. minus log of x plus 1 plus c. Okay, that is equal to what? One more formula here. Here first formula, n into log m equal to log m power n, this formula, and then log m minus log n. Anybody? Log m by n. Log of m divided by n. Correct? Same thing here. What we are going to write? I equal to log of, what is that? M value, x plus 2 whole square divided by x plus 1. That is plus c. This is the answer for first question. Any doubt? Check it your answer. Okay. Can I go next question? Question number 2. What is 2? Next page. Sorry. Shall I delete? Yes. Next page. Okay, no issue. Yes. Question number 2. Yes, find the integral of the rational function 1 divided by x square minus 9. What is that x square minus 9? Now we can write x square minus 9 as the solution. First compare the x value. What is x value? Power of x, okay, in numerator is less than denominator, or denominator greater than numerator, whatever you can write. Then you can apply the partial fraction method. I equal to, what is I equal to, Ganna? 1 divided by x square, okay, minus 3 square. Any doubt? Because 9 square, 9. Now this is equal to, I am going to rewrite I equal to integral 1 divided by, anybody? What is the formula here? Yes, this is a square minus x square, correct? A square minus b square. That is a plus b into, sorry Kanna, a minus b. Okay, wow. That means separate here x plus 3 into x minus 3. Yes, it is become first, like first sum. X minus 1 into, sorry, x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, same thing here. We may call equation number 1. This is different factors in the denominator, q of x. Okay, now what we are going to do? Take what is 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 3 equal to a divided by x plus 3, b divided by x minus 3. Any doubt, students? Now separate. Take LCM 1 divided by x plus 3, because you have the only two terms, easy to do this cross multiplication, correct? A into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 1, x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 into x plus x minus 3. Otherwise, you go a by into LCM, b by into LCM, whether having three terms, c by LCM. Okay, it is not necessary here. Okay, now x minus 3, x plus 3, cancel the denominator. What is polynomial? 1 equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 3. Equation number 2. Student, any doubt? Any doubt, Kanna? Yes, what is next? What is next? Substitute. Now put negative opposite value of x, that is x minus x plus 3 or x minus 3, then minus 3 first in equation number 2. What you are going to get? 1. There is no left side variable. Okay, x, there is no x. Now a into minus 3 minus 3 plus b into minus 3 plus 3. Correct? That is 0. Now 1 equal to a into minus 6 plus 0, which implies a equal to minus 1 by 6. Okay? And then second value what? Put x equal to 3 in equation 2 because the denominator having minus 3. Correct? So what is next, Karna? In equation number 2, 1 equal to, what is that? A into 3 minus 3 plus b into 3 plus 3. Now this is 1 equal to 0 plus b into 6. That is, which implies b equal to b equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Yes. We are found at a value and b value. And finally, you can rewrite equation 1 becomes, what is first equation, Karna? I equal to the rational function separated as x minus 3, x plus 3, that we and then again we are using the partial fraction method. What is this? By partial fraction method, a by b by, that term you can write in the integration, that term in write in the integration 1 by x plus 3 into dx plus integral, sorry, I forgot a value. What is a value, Gana? Minus 1 by 6, b value 1 by 6 by x minus 3 into dx. Any doubts? Because a by b by. Now take the constant outside, minus 1 by 6 into integral 1 by x plus 3 into dx, and then plus 1 by 6 integral 1 by x minus 3 into dx. Okay, what is next here? Integration. What is integral formula? What is integral formula? Just now, integral of 1 by x minus a or x plus a dx equal to log of x plus a plus c. Correct? Now apply here. What we are going to get? I equal to, yes, I equal to minus 1 by 6 into log of x plus 3. Correct? Plus 1 by 6 into log of, what is that? X minus 3. 1 by 6 taken outside, common terms, that is 1 by 6 into log of x minus 3 plus, sorry, minus log of x plus 3. Yes, what is the formula? Log m minus log n equal to log of m divided by n. Correct? Likewise, the terms become I equal to 1 by 6 into log of, what is that? X minus 3 divided by x plus 3 plus c. Check it, the answer come. Okay, wow. Yes, this is a second sum. The third sum. Correct? Yes. Sorry, you want write? Okay.